The accident. In the city you live in, there are only two taxi companies, the blue taxi company with 85 taxis and a green taxi company with 15 taxis. A witness sees an accident involving a taxi in the city where the victim dies. The witness says he is certain that it was a green taxi. Additionally, the witness happens to be a retired judge with no visual impediments. You're on the board of the green taxi company. Since the drivers operate independently across the nation, similar to a Uber model, you have no way of knowing if one of your taxis was involved in the accident. The fact, there is no bias for any particular blue or green taxi to be involved in such incidents. The incident occurred late evening at a time when it would be difficult to differentiate between blue and green. Neither side has any other information pertaining to this case. The claim, the victim's family seeks $80 million as compensation from you and your company based on witness testimony. They also produce a convincing document from the local university's statistics department stating that based on historical data, witnesses are correct 80% of the time under similar lighting conditions. This statement is also supported in publications by several reputable international institutions. Your insurance coverage is limited to $30 million. What would you do? Your options. A. Go to courts and dispute the validity of the claim that a green taxi was involved. You might argue that the witness cannot be certain in spite of statistical data, and also that the victim was at fault though without any proof. If you win, your loss is just $5 million in legal cost. However, if you lose, your loss could be up to $85 million. B. Go to courts and accept responsibility but challenge the size of the claim. You might argue that this was inevitable given the natural lighting conditions. Also that the victim is at fault, though without any proof. Again, if you win, the judge might cut the award in half. That's $40 million plus the 5 in legal costs. But if you lose, your loss could be up to $85 million. C. The third option is a non-negotiable offer of an out-of-court settlement of $50 million. Of course, insurance will pay $30 million. You have to pay only the balance of $20 million. And also there are no legal costs. In 2 hours, you and your board will meet to decide on next steps. You must make your recommendation based only on the following. Of course, if you decide to go to court, then you will have the opportunity to challenge the claims, the facts, etc. What would you recommend? Defend in court with a 10% chance of winning, accept responsibility and plead for a lower settlement, or go for the out-of-court settlement? Your decision has a serious impact on you and your company. Email your decision. You're in for a surprise.